We have 3 different types of crimp tools for copper tubing, aluminum tubing that's run on pneumatics only. We also have a hydraulic tool that pinches copper tubing, Inconel tubing, and stainless steel tubing. We have a series of hydraulic tools which start from 187 up to 1 inch diameter wire copper tubing. We also have the pneumatic for flattening the tubing. Actually, it dimples it so that it would reduce the opening of the tubing for refrigeration and air conditioning. We have a pinch off for sealing vapor, gases, or water systems. And we also have a ball crimp, which is used in the plumbing industry, water, gas, where the operator comes in and holds the crimp on the tool and then comes back and brazes it. What I'm going to show you is the flattening tool, adapting it to our SP004 power pack. That crimping over a pilot so it reduces the opening of the tubing. This is usually for air conditioning or refrigeration. And we do a variety of different sizes and different reductions on the tubing as well. We have a pinch off tool which will temporarily seal the tubing. It pinches it off. It actually flattens it out so it's temporarily sealed. It has to be brazed at the end because copper, as you know, has memory to it. It has a tendency to spring back. On the ball crimp tool, which starts at the BC004 up to the BC008, which will handle up to 7/8 copper tubing. I'm going to show you that in a second. This is our BC004 power pack, and it crimps up to 1/4 inch copper tubing. What I'm going to show you today is a little bit bigger, but we have tools that will crimp up to 7/8 copper tubing. And what it does, it works in reverse. So the tool is closed at all times, so the operator activates it, it opens the jaws and actually crimps the tubing, and the operator can come back and seal his tubing. What it does, it puts a ball crimp into that copper tubing. So it basically seals it, but he has to come back and fill that tubing for it to be sealed completely. It works in reverse. Activate the tool and then it closes. And what we do is we put a ball wafer on here that will crimp down into the tubing. BC004, BC006, and a BC008 are the models that we have for different size tubing.